Hi, I'm Lazze and I'm teaching people in metal shaping, and I'm back here on the video on YouTube with tips and tricks, but this is actually part 2 when I'm going to continue to do one little more thing on this half side of a motorcycle tank. And what I'm going to do on this video, I'm going to make this little drop here so it can fit for the heads on the motorcycle motor. And what I need to do is I'm going to go this circle, and I'm going to go up with this circle like this. Something like that, just so it gives me a little idea what I need to do. And in this case, I can't use the roundest wheel to bend that because I'm too far from the bracket into the center. So what I'm using here, I'm using the offset wheel in the English wheel. That means that I can bend it closer into corner, and I'm moving the touching point here out to the side of the bracket so I can get closer in. So I'm going to start bend this, and I'm bending it a little like this. I can't do so much. It's just a little bit. So what I need to do now, I need to go in and stretch this and make it longer. And when I do that, then I can go back. And so I changed the shrinker here now to the stretcher. And also here it's important that stretching more on the edge and less the further in I go. So you see we have some marks there, but that's okay. I can smooth that out with the offset wheel in the English wheel. And short tracks is to recommend, so you can control where you're wheeling it. And there you can see that this is going up here now. If I want, I can continue stretch it a little more. If I do too much on one spot, that means that it's going to be wavy. So you need to be very consistent when you're stretching. So you're stretching a little all the way. So now I go back to the wheel again. There you can see how this goes up. And I can continue to do more and more if I want. If I want to go a little more straight out here, I can just use the wheel and I can bend it out a little more. Or I can do the stretcher and I can go in a little more and go more, so it's go a little more straight out there. But that's how I do something like that. So that was the tips and tricks for today. And if you want more information about our products and free video, go to www.lazzemetalshaping.com.